All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and we are live. What's going on? Back in our normal battle station. Super excited for the week. Got quite a few things on watch. Well, 4 things on watch. Not SONN. I actually really like the daily a lot, but it just had a really big move, and there's no fresh catalyst. So I think I'm gonna leave Sun alone. Actually, this one is like barely on my list. There's no significant volume back here. This is 2 million shares. It's also 2 million shares. Uh, yeah, but I mean, it's just the price is kind of low. Hey, what's up, Kiston? What's going on? Don't forget to hit that like button for me, please, on your way in. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, that's my only apprehension with LGPS really is the price. But I mean, it touched $3 pre-market, so you get above $3, you could really get to moving maybe. ARTL, this is kind of a conditional, like I really don't want to trade it below 25.58. So I don't know. We'll see what the price action looks like after the open. MBIO seems to be the most exciting one, I would say. Yeah. But you never know, man. You never know what's going to happen at the open. Oh, yeah, man. This is a reverse split, but it's below the EMA, yo. I think I'm going to dump this too. Yeah, I think I'm going to just roll with ARTL, LGPS, and MBIO. Yeah. Yeah. What you guys got, man? What y'all got? GPS, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have VWAP on here anymore. That's weird. It's really weird. AALB. Huh. What's the float? Huh. It would be so helpful if the float was right here. And its unexpectedly messy path to approval. That's a good thing. 46 million float. Biotech with FDA approval. Oh, 2 hours ago. Okay. Hey, what up, OG? Wave Rider. What's up, y'all? What is going on? This looks kind of cool. Yeah, that looks real cool. Got some eyes over here, but I mean, nothing crazy. Let's do it again. Yep, yep. Hmm. Man, this thing could go crazy over pre-market high, but it's kind of faded a lot. Pre-market high. It's holding up kind of nice though. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Nah, we live, baby. What up, Pons? Yeah, I'm definitely got my eyes on NBIO, OG. I don't know how I feel about C. Well, I do know how I feel about CYCC. Ah, geez, here we go again. um, yeah, bro, I ain't feeling CYCC, man. ABVE. Yeah, too cheap for my blood. And you got this little area right here I wouldn't want to mess with. Look at this, man. That's not that much. I guess it's just getting started. Yeah, I'll be looking at this guy right here, like, oh, that is the bell. All right. That's what I wanted to do. Oh man, did it disappear? So did. Yo, what up, Trey? Trendline Trey in the building. That's a main chart. Man, I had a great weekend microdons trading. Appreciate it. Eric trades. Okay. What up, brown dog? Okay. Nice. So you traded pre-market, Eric? Yeah, man. Nice work, bro. Pre-market be looking so good, man. I can't even hold you. Pre-market be looking good. What's that? Oh, you can only trade pre. Yeah, this is looking real dastardly now. The daily's looking real nasty now. Looking real nasty. Yeah, it would absolutely have to be over 25.56. That's what's up. What it do? Hauled down. MBIO rolling, man, over $4. Yeah, that's a real nice daily right there. COGT OG over there playing that high days. Ooh, ooh, that's a nice day. Right into $10 resistance. Right resistance 7 million. $109 million flow. What up, Santa? What's going on, bro? Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me on the way in, please. Cogent Biosciences announces positive top-line results, achieving statistical significance across all primary and key secondary endpoints. That's pretty solid, yo. Nice price range. Originally from California, Los Angeles. Actually born in Culver City Hospital, but spent the first part of my life in Los Angeles, California, a little bit in Long Beach, and then moved here to Kansas City in like 95 when I was 9. And been here ever since. Unless you mean my heritage. Uh, Man, I kind of like this COGT OG. Kind of like it. What you think of that one, Trey? Yeah, MBIO looks nice. This actually, I want to add this play to my playbook, honestly. The break over and pull back to pre-market high, but I'm cool. Yeah, this joker look nice, man. This is nice. Especially if this candle closed red, man. Look. COGT back open. Hey, that'll be a 3 bar play right here. Yeah, man, these jokers is something they holding that pre-market. Well, for now. For now. Yeah, CLGT look like she's about to go over 10. Well, I mean, the only thing looking close to doing something for me is LGPS. But man, it's under $2. Mm-hmm. Downtrending on the 15. SBET. Yeah, I can't mess with that one. I can't do it. Wow, this was like a GameStop joint. Man, both of those candles closed red, bro. MBIO's looking real saucy, but it's super extended. It's super duper extended. Trash. Yeah, that thing sold off really good. VOR. Wow, it's moving up rapidly. I wish that stock I'm in them start moving up like that. My little swing stock. That joke is doing nothing. Yeah, that's a nice little break over the top there too. Hmm. What's going on here? 100 mil float. Yeah. I feel like every time I get in one of those stocks, the grind is so tough. Like mentally, just waiting for it to grind through like one penny at a time. There goes NBIO. Yeah, it's a nice little break over pre-market and hold, but I mean it's so extended. Like how much further is it gonna go? One, two, this the third eye. Yeah, it's about to double top and crash. Oh yeah. Is that an indicator microdine? Actually, ARTL don't look bad. Yeah, see this one, this break over pre-market and hold had just come down here and reset, but it's still a pretty big extension. But MBIL, I mean, it looks pretty strong too. Mm. Yeah, I got some I don't know. Yeah, the lower ARTL gets, the less it's looking like it's gonna be a viable trade, but I really didn't want to mess with it below 25 because of that daily level from 630. But I mean, it already traded through it pre-market, so I don't think it's as significant as a line in the sand. Yeah, I think if it's set up from where it is now, it would be too extended. Yeah, but a 14 buy would be cool. Wouldn't get too worried until 15.50. All right, King. There you go. That's what's up, man. Man, MBIO just kept on rolling, bruh. Yeah, I really like this setup though. But I shall wait for the end of the trend, catch the beginning of the next one. Hey, ARTL just got some nice volume in there. What do we have here? Man, MBIO over $5 now, bro. Mm-mm-mm. That was a nice little pre-market setup, man. Yo, if COGT does the same thing, I might have to add that to the playbook, yo. It was super clean, man. The cleanest of clean. Golly. Yo, if COGT do the same thing, I'm at least write it on a piece of paper that we gotta look at this. uh bruh. Yeah, it's starting to look really interesting here. Real interesting. Put a little line right there one time for the one time. Look at the 15 too. ARTL might be ready. Spreads are nuts. Ooh, yeah, they are pretty bad. 40 cents. Golly. Yeah, what's up, Focus on me? What'd you trade? Nice. Nice, Eric. Man, NBIO, $6. Hey, ARTL looking cool. I see KLV over here too, looking kind of cool. Oh, did you? I'm watching it, man. Off VWAP. My VWAP's way up here. What you mean? This ain't VWAP? My VWAP says 24.54. Or are you on the 1 minute? Is that different? Let me see. Let me see. No, it ain't different. Webull VWAP. Yeah, that's way different than my VWAP. Y'all, what's y'all VWAP on ARTL? Traded Sun. Yeah, I think Sun would only go on Sun was pre-market. 21.31, 24.42. Okay. I'm about to say, bro. Okay. All right. You sure that VWAP that wasn't an EMA or something? Hmm. I know, bro. MBIO is just like the cleanest. I got ARTL, LGPS, MBIO, KALV, and COGT. Those last two were like late editions. Yeah, yeah, I checked out Stock Rocks. I didn't I haven't like gone through it has a lot of scans on there. And that made me kind of want to chill with Zendu for now because they got a nice little low float scanner that's, you know, just for me basically. But yeah, man, I definitely appreciate the resource. I actually told one of my buddies about it. My guy Alex. Yeah, I don't know ARTL. I don't know. Yeah, HH always telling me about Thinkorswim. I gotta it sounds cool. There's definitely some areas that this joint is lacking for sure. Oh, we looking kind of cool on KALV. Looking kind of cool. Looking kind of cool. Mm-hmm. Nice. Yeah, but I don't want the live squat. Like I closed the scanner so I wouldn't hear all those call outs because I'll be running circles. Yeah, yeah, it definitely got to print some red. I'm not. It gotta have a red candle for sure. For sure. I really want a nice clean trade up over 14, not just this little wick right here. Yeah, I do too, man. I mean, honestly, you definitely got the one looks fantastic. The one looks fantastic. But typically, whenever I rush into a stock, the patient setup comes shortly thereafter, and it's often a better entry than the one I rushed into. So, you know, you gotta be ready. You gotta be cool with it leaving you, you know. Just like MBI over here. There's definitely a time where I would have jumped all over this. Like, forget the strategy. I know this is going up. I'm buying it, you know. But, you know, I'm just kind of done with those days, I hope. If I would have done the same over here, I'd be sweating right now. But actually, I would have been out the trade up here. So it would have been quite a small loss, actually. And if I'd have taken both of them, I would have a small loss on COGT and a really nice winner on NBIO. So, yeah. I see the difference now. I see the difference. Look at this big red volume on this candle on COGT. That's what you call sell volume, eh? Versus, you know, this much lighter candle, much more narrow range candle. Didn't penetrate through pre-market nearly as much as COGT did. Some things to take into consideration. ASST, we shorting now? When we start shorting. Man, this is looking really ready. Like it's almost a red candle. It's almost a red candle. Oh, snaps. Okay. It's looking good over there. Hey, yo, if this candle closed red, man, we're gonna have to go on and holla at KALV. I mean, even if it don't close red, bro. mm, it ain't gonna close red. It's pretty gooch. What's the low? 82. Man, and then it just spiked up. High is 1411. Hmm. You ain't really had no solid amount of buyers come in for real. Uh, bad memories of ASST. Man, I don't know about LGPS, man. It's just so cheap, bro. It's not holding very well either. Yeah, big slap. MBIO look like it's gonna do a higher low and just keep on rolling. Let's see that. Focus. Volume is pretty light. Pretty light. Yeah, I can see it too, Trey.
Order filled.
For real? Thought we was going somewhere. Yeah, you ain't lying, King. You ain't lying. ARTL ain't looking bad either. Man, MBIO look real good. She's up there though. Sell break even. Where they do that at? See. Dun 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 dun. All right. Take it from here, Bugs. These pullbacks, bruh.
Order filled.
Womp womp. Now, it's really going to make me mad is if it goes back up without breaking the 5-minute low. But what do we do there? Oh, I got to adjust the R setting. Hmm. Hey, what's up, Jay? Pretty good, man. What am I doing? Check settings. Not too bad. Been getting some educational lumps, but it's been good, man. It's been good. How about you? Man, it's a nice entry right here, ain't it? Oh yeah, that's what's up. Guess we done it over here, Bugs. Really? Some scary stuff, man. Yeah, that's for sure. That's for sure. I definitely don't think it's going anywhere. This entry looks so cold on LGPS, but I'd actually rather have the pullback over two, especially since it went back below the EMA. Super curious to see what KALV is gonna do. Might be mad at myself just for trading something not on my original pre-market list, but into resistance. Huh? 1392, 1393. I just want to see if it's going to hit my original stop, and that'll give me some nice feedback and extra conviction for moving my stop up under the entry candle after it closes. But if it never breaks the original stop, then I'll be sad. So I'm counting on its demise right now. Just give me 1390. It's probably going back to 1350. There we go. All right, good feedback. Good feedback. Cool. All right. Ooh, bruh.
Order filled.
Nah. This was the new line. I just didn't move it down yet. Right there. No, I know it seemed like I'm being silly, but I'm serious. Oh, wait. Cover that up. I'm in at 189, stop 172. That's pretty big volume there. Man, this is the first high on the 5, though. Nah, this is the reset. This is the reset, and then this is the high, and then pull back to the EMA, and level 2 is stacked. Nah, this thing is gooch. Just waiting for the squeeze out. Man, that's a lot of volume right there. on LGPS. Huh. Yeah, I felt like I should have taken that top right there, but it's super early on as far as the 5 minute trend is concerned. It's super early. We just got to pull back on the 15, but yeah, 224, like for sure. I got to get some shares off over that. There's VWAP for the one. Uh, why am I in so late? I'm in late on this. I'm in early. Trey is hitting me for a rule break. W pattern is legit. We going back to pre-market high, Jay? Seems to be dying. No. No. Nah, I think it looks pretty good. Back over two, man. We're getting saucy. Try your indicator setup. What's your indicator setup? All right, cool. I'll check it out. Nice little back to the EMA on the one. Abandoned ship. I gotta trust the setup, man. I can't abandon my setup. Man, that NBIO looking sketchy. What's it gonna be? For some run for the hills. This guy. What you saying is ad. In at 425, what you trading? 25. And you talking about NBIO? Whoa. Oh, that's ASST. It's a lonely space. I appreciate it, Jay. Hit that like button for me on your way out, bro. What's it gonna be? Appreciate it, bro. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. I ain't want to trade this cheap stock anyway. uh, what's up, Knives?
Order filled.
For Ellie. Hmm. Yeah, NBIO is way out of there. Yeah. Although I do think I could have gotten a sell off on this other trade I took. I don't know. What was that? This one? LGPS. Yeah. I feel like I could have got a sell off up here. I could have. Well, bro, because I'm not just like randomly taking trades out here, man. I'm trying to follow a plan here. Okay. Yeah, I took the break. I took the break, Trey. I took the break. Don't mess around and set up too, Trey. uh, Wolf. Mm. Yeah, NBIO, man. They just ain't gonna come back for me. Yo, what up, Trex? Trying to trade in Jamaica? Yeah, it's just up too high, man. I can't buy in and then it just pull back. Can't do it. Nice. Yeah, I see it over there. Yeah, I know he does. My new rules? Nah, they not new. I just gotta follow the old ones. But I'm doing $50 risk per trade right now. And um, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, it looked like it's definitely about to do that, Eric. Nah, bro, I'm gonna have to check after my session's over, bro. I'm in the hunt. I'm in the hunt. Um, yeah, I really just want to take this little cheap stock off. The only reason I still want to watch it is because it took some of my money. Other than that, like, it's just too cheap. And Jay said it has back overs. I know, right? For sure. That's nail on the head, T-Lo. Nail on the head. Man, LGPS, the only thing doing some real volume, though. And NBIO, I mean, NBIO is doing great volume. Yeah, bro, it's all bad for them over there. Oh, yeah, you getting the bottom. I mean, I'm waiting. I don't have a method for getting in it. It's I get in after the pullback, and it just ain't. Man, 15 was there, but yeah, it'd be all right. Yeah, it definitely was. It was very nice. You know, well, it's definitely clear now. It's all right though. Just got to come down and reset, and then we can talk. Shit. Right. That's what's up, Tilo. Really? Hmm. I don't know, man. Yeah. I don't know, man. She looking pretty exhausted to me. Yeah. I really wanted to take COGT right off the EMA right there. I added it the same time I added KALV. Bruh. I mean, it does. I mean, the last time it squeezed, I mean, it squeezes pretty good. Um, Man, this thing about to run off, bro. What up, Jack? How's it going today, man? What's up, Rob? What you talking about, technical trader? You talking about me? Whatever do you mean, sir? That's what's up, Rob. I sent you an email, Rob. He made a sandwich. That's weird. The price action on the 5 on SONN for the third Thursday has the high up to 480, but down here on the daily, it has it up to 414. It's weird. It's problematic even. Man, MBIO looks good, man. It's been looking good this whole time. Hope it goes back down and tests pre-market high. Mm. Mm. Yeah, that's clean on NBIO too. Mm. I want to see that jumping down the pre-market. I need a sincere pullback. That's pretty nice, man. All right, Ed. I didn't even see it in the Discord, man. I think I was already getting set up to go live. Oh no, you did post at 8:04. Yeah, I missed it. I missed it, man. You gonna call him in? Man, KALV and CLGT kind of talking to me at the same time. I would say this has to be above 85. Hmm. One minute. Okay. I think I want to wait for the yeah. How are these 88s coming across the time of sales, but it ain't printed at 88 on the chart yet?
Order filled.
It's a little dry. But I like the 15. So, I mean, that's the assumption here. I mean, the idea is always expecting the volume to come flowing in after you when it's not there. But yeah, kind of like that a little bit. Bro, I want to take this now too. Yeah, 15. So I still wouldn't want it until it's over 86. Which will be a stop under 60. 25-cent stop. Seemed like a lot. Yeah, it is. Hmm. Hey, what up, Leon? How's it going, man? It's been all right. I'm down 1.5 R on 2 trades though, so minimal loss on my first trade. Second trade, real break. Jumped the gun a bit, and here we are in my third trade. Oh, really? So no pre-market today, huh? I know, man. It's looking kind of dry though. Chart looks good. Mm, NBIO, man. $50. He took it. Nice. Yeah, that's the same my situation, man. Just been watching it. I think I'm gonna take this guy on the 15, man, over that 86 level that I really liked. Mhm. Money's your signal. Really have a lower high here, if we're being honest. We're being honest. See what happens at 14 here. Man, I really should have sold this first trade. It was really early in the trend, but a lot of green candles up. I'll get better at that. You're in at 5:30. What's it gonna be? Yeah, it does look heavy. Europa! Man, I want to take this on the 15, but I'm gonna see if it sets up on the 5. Oh yeah, what up, HH? I want to buy an 86. I can get 86 probably on the pullback. Yo, GT. Hmm. Yeah, I like COGT, but Leon just said it was trash. I think it's about to go crazy. I really feel like I should have taken it down here off of this high, which I think that would have been valid. But technically, this was a lower high, so you know we can do better. Yeah, Trey got me on KLV. Blame him. it's the retest law right here. I don't like it on the 15 though, man. The 15 look like it's coming down. That's the only thing about it. If it was at pre-market support, it's at $5 though. That's a good level. But it just don't look that great. $4 test. That's what I was wanting too, HH. I was like, I need that pre-market test, man. Yeah, there goes 86, man. I really wanted to take the 86. Let me see what happens after, though. Yeah, this was the clear entry, man. I punked out. I punked out. Nice. This thing gonna be all day, bro. All day with it. I done missed out. I should have took it, bro. I was eyeing it here, but I ain't like this candle right here, man. And so I was like, all right, I'm gonna wait for the 86 break. But then it just seemed like such a wide entry. And now it's going. Now it's going. Daggone it. That's all right. It just wasn't perfect. I know, right? I'm gonna see what this pullback talking about though. This 3 candles up. We might get two candle pullback right to pre-market high. It'd be sweet. Or it'll squeeze right now and I'll never get to touch it again. Never know. Man, this is nice on the 5, bro. This is stupid. I'm gonna feel the same way about this one if I don't take this one. But yeah, this one's extended on 15 too. Still a good setup, eh?
Order filled.
Here we go. Oh wow, instantaneous. Yeah, I think I'm gonna tighten this up over here. Mhm. Yeah, I'm about to get slapped over here. Uh-oh, maybe not. Maybe so, maybe not. I don't know, man. Why? Just go, bro. Go, bro. Oh, it's stuttering. 594. Bro, I could get there so easy if it could just go. It'd just go. Come on, Bugs, help him out. Trey needs $6. I need 7. Trey needs 6. I need 7. Ooh wee, let's go. Hey, hey. KLV over 14. uh, yeah, we definitely need some extension. I mean, we can get one candle straight through 6, no problem, man. Send the orders. Come on, 650, 550. Come on, 550. Ah, man. Joker start looking heavy. Come on, man. You gotta hold 530. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want all that. I wish I would have got in COG out of. Come on, bro. What's with the weakness? Yeah. And 15 is diabolical. Definitely needed above 550. In the meantime, in between time, mm-hmm. About to get stopped out over here on NBIO, man. Raggedy.
Order filled.
I knew I shouldn't have disregarded the 15, bro. The 15 was telling me. The 15 was telling me, bro. Same on this, really, but sitting over that pre-market high is a little different. I should have sold up there too. Big volume on the one, sort of. Yeah, you was. Hmm. Interesting, bruh. Yeah, I think 10 is that limit for that thing, man. Yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about KALV right now. Yeah, I know, bro. Like, bruh.
Order filled.
Really? As soon as I press the button. How did this not just run? Ah, man, come on, bro. For real. Had to take profit right there. That's gonna be the one right here, though. Would have been 530. Kind of took this on the strength of the 15, though. Man, I really want to jump in this, but I'm already in two other things. Really nice trade over 10 right here. I wish I would have just got in down here like I was supposed to, and there wouldn't have been no thing. Burnt. That's what it feels like. It feels like it's about to drop through the floor. The one looks pretty good though, but it feels like it's about to drop through the floor.
Order filled.
Yeah, we got to take some of that. We got to take some of that. Oh, dang. Then you going to squeeze right after? That's cool. What's this high? 60? Let's go. Come on, hit that 60.
Order filled.
All right. Now I'm chilling. Next target, 1550. All right. Now, you. Oh, snap. Is it time? Is it time? That's what's up, Brian. Let's do it. Come on, man. Stop playing around and go to $6 so me and Trey could sell. Come on, man. It's looking good now. Ah, damn, I forgot. I did jump back in there. I forgot. That off of here. Eric, $7 on what? MBIO? Don't get me excited, man. Hey, good looking out, Trey. Sell another third at 15 for sure. Hey man, accountability goes both ways, bruh. I feel like this first sale was super weak though, but responsible. I could at least wait it for 30. I think I sold it like 20s. I know, bro. Just playing with all kind of emotions, man. Got a little bit of a loss there. Yo, 6 is right there, bro. Well, 6, I wanted 6 back when I got in at like 520. Now I'm in at 557. So, what's up, Shanice? Um, yeah, I actually used to own some XRP. I used to be really excited about it, but I ended up selling out, and then it goes up. You don't want to buy in high, and then you just end up letting it go. So yeah, but yeah, I really like that XRP. When I had a nice little time where I was really into crypto, trying to get that win Lambo bag, trying to turn 100 million shares, a billion shares of Safe Moon into a meal ticket. Turns out we were just a bunch of fools in a forum saying win Lambo. Oh yeah, what's up, Streamer Central? Hey guys, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Trying to put this community on the map. On our way to 1,000 subs. Could at least rival with the fake traders out there, Come on, 15, man. I need that 15. I'm trying to stand on business and not sell again until 15, but 1460 is high of day, so I really want to hit the sell button again. But I got one off of I got to sell off at 1450, so it's good enough. Man. MBIO, little engine that couldn't. That 15 is so nice though, man.
Order filled.
Dang. NBIO. Hey, I'm only down 1.3R on NBIO, 1R on yes. It's not too bad of a day, man. Probably just shouldn't have moved my stop up so soon. That's what looks like about to happen. I'm about to get stopped out on a higher low. And be tempted to get in again. uh, them rules, man. But no, that was a higher low. It did make a higher low on the 5. It just wasn't red, but this is a higher low. Usually like to wait for the red one though. But whatever. Yeah, it's over. It's over. I'm actually just gonna take it off my watch chart. I'm taking everything off actually. We're gonna finish out the day over here on KALV. Oops. Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean the entry would have been here. I would have hoped to have taken profit up here somewhere. But at least I would have should have had my stop up. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm glad I ain't messed with it either though. What's this low? 1404. Is it? Wow, it is looking great. Wow. Dang, focus. Focus over here like I tried to tell y'all. I tried to tell y'all. I feel you, bro. That's nice, man. That's a really nice trend up. That's what dreams were made of. Yeah. Yeah. Since high over here. Yeah, we definitely got it to sell at 15. Actually, maybe 1487. Yeah, let's sell at 14. Well, we got. I don't think that level, those levels matter much at all, actually. Yeah, we'll hold for 15. Yep. Sun reverse. I was actually looking at sun. Oh, snaps. The day is almost over. If we can just get one more 15-minute candle up, bro. Yeah. That's a nice place to buy for sure. Broke the high of day by 5 cents. Didn't stay up above it very long. Yeah. Come on, 15, man. It ain't no reason not to go to 15. There's no reason. Ooh, SPY is dropping. Do a pre-market. Might not be a bad idea. Do like $1 risk or something. Just to play around with you guys. I could do something like that. Come on, that was it right there. Bruh, you know that 15 want to go. Back over 65 is all we need. Whatever, HH. I do my analysis in pre-market. Thank you. Yo, what's going on, man? I'm doing great, man. I'm happy to be here. Looks like I got a pretty good chance of finishing green today. If we can get that pop to 15 for sure. I mean, actually, just back over 65 and I can move my stop up. And I think that'll be enough to capture break even. Man, I don't even want to hear MBIO. Yeah, I ain't even fun to do it. I don't even want to look at it, bro. The 15 was way too far up there though. I can't take the 5 in spite of the 15. That was my mistake. And really is the same situation on what was that other one? COGT? Same situation. It's extended on the 15. You know, can't take the 5 in spite of the 15. So I would say that's my lesson for today. And also a reminder that I don't want to take the break, which what was that? LGPS? Yeah, this trade right here. Don't want to take the break. I want to take the retest. So yeah, my bad, Trey. I was really hoping to do our no rule break thing for a long time. You got to give me a do over. First day is grace period. I haven't been live in a week. Day 0, yeah. Come on, man. Day 0 of 9. uh, One rule I'm really happy about that I adopted, which I don't know, man, because I think it kicked me out of this trade. Actually, I should have never been in this trade. Yeah, I don't want to do the retest. Retest too dangerous, man. I don't know. Not when the 15 is extended anyway. I don't know. Maybe I should just go ahead and drag my stop up under here. Or we could just follow the rules. That works too. We just follow the rules. The trade you took on MBIO? That looks nice, man. That looks nice. Can we get it over 65, bro? Yeah, I could have just done without NBIO altogether today, honestly. And this little stupid cheap stock too. I don't even want to trade stuff under $2. Yeah, it's all good. Until FOMO hit. Ocean One broker. I don't know about Ocean One. I know about Ocean Securities. They're like a sister company of the broker that I use, which is STG, ST Global. But yeah, I haven't heard of Ocean One though. Yeah, I don't know, man. 7 minutes left on this 15 minute. Well, once this closes, I'm gonna move my stop on to the low of this 15-minute candle anyway. So we'll just wait and see what happens here. Probably a little sweep and then a run maybe. Huh. Okay. Good looking out, Brian. You see that, Adrian? Yo, SONN, man. That's pretty nice. Look kind of dead though. You didn't hear me, Adrian? Yeah, I don't know anything about it, but Brian said Ross Cameron has some videos about it. Might want to check that out, my brother. All right, come on, man. This is it. That looks nice. Tell me that one was nice. Uh, come on, man. Man. Yeah, you killed that one, bro. You killed that one. Come on, back over 60. Then back over 65. A couple people were talking about Wolf earlier. I didn't see it until after the open. Bruh, it was looking so good. I don't like that the buying volume was less than the sell volume over here, though. It's pretty weak. Doesn't want to go back over 1460. .4 minutes and stops going up to 1459. Got the ask at 64. Sitting over high day right now. Ooh, 63. This is what I want to see. Yeah, no problem. I actually should sell some at 1460 as hard of a time as it's having over here. But I already took profit twice, so kind of trying to wait for the move. Ah, just won't stay up there though. Ah, it is. Well, I mean, it broke the opening range. It just hasn't gone anywhere yet. That would be sweet though. Yeah, that helped me big time, Trey. Big time. It was super like those kind of stats you get from your journal are priceless, man. Priceless. Bro, it's ridiculous. Oh, the 15-minute candle closed already. 1444. BMNR still doing stuff. Ross mentioned it over the weekend. Could be interesting tomorrow for sure if it holds like that. Come on, bro. Ooh, 65 broke. Well, it didn't break, but it hit. You need 66. 66 for the new high of day. Yeah, 12's my cutoff too. No more new trades anyway. Come on, 66. 68. Here we go. Can this be the break? Can we get to 15? New high of day, 69, 70. Come on, man. Clear road to 15. Or is this an all day hold? um, I wasn't planning on just exiting the position, but I do want to sell a good portion off at 15. I mean, I was expecting some sort of like actual momentum to come rotating into this at some point, at least after we hit the high day scanners, but I don't know. Because I mean, after that, kind of want to hit pre market high, you know? But I don't want to sit here. And, I mean, as long as it's going up, I'm having a good time, you know? So the sideways stuff is not so much fun. You out of here, focus. Ah, that sounds like good fun. Thanks, bro. Have a good one, man. Yeah, no doubt. What a grinder, man. What was the catalyst on this? Specialty pharmacy partner for CalVista's victory. Mm. All right. Man, we got a sweet entry on this thing. Just want to get a couple more nice executions off, man. I don't think it's gonna happen. I think we're probably done. Yeah, definitely gonna let it play out. Like that volume profile on the one. Whoa. Come on, don't hammer it. Let it go. Red got wide on it. We 75 on the ask. Come on, 15. I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm selling 2/3 at 15 for sure. Low of day. Come on, I seen 71. Come on. Up to 48 under that last 5-minute low. Pretty nice on the one, man. Not that the one means all that much, but looks like a good hold over high today, but maybe not. What's it gonna be? Huh. Said Musk chaos could oust Tesla from the Mag 7. What's Tesla doing these days? Oof. Pretty big fall from 360s. That 1 minute on killing your portfolio. Dang. Oh man. What a volatile company, man. If you need volatility, Tesla is the stock. That's why people just day trade that thing. It's big moves. Up and down. I know, man. Just run the company, bro. Like, what does the crossover happen? Like, why is Bill Gates all in our medical business and vaccinations and farming and all? Like, bro, go on somewhere, man. Not feeling it. Man, I think I should just let something off up here, bro. Or just follow the rules. Well, there's no rule that says I can't sell right here, but I do want to wait for 15. Yeah, I mean, that does feel right for sure. I think we're building a pretty strong case above high of day, though. Um, mm, maybe not. Excuse me. Wow. Looks nice. Looks real nice. Yeah, I feel like this right here is a good spot. Like 59, just call it. But I'm gonna wait. Cannot get stopped out on a higher low. So make sure that doesn't happen. There we go. That's looking nice. Mm-hmm. And back down. SONN back over 5. Wow, the market is like crashing out right now. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm just hanging out. Hanging out, moving up the stop. Take a little peek. Yeah, bro. Spy is getting torched right now. Torched. Bug. Now I definitely wish I got some off at 75. That would have been a nice feel. Nice execution to have on the chart. Very practical sale. But I did all right. It could hold 1450 inbounds. It could happen. Man, you sure called this one, Trey. Straight hostage taker. Right from the beginning. The volume really sucks, though. Thing doing like 5 to 10,000 a candle. ASST still rolling. Man. Yeah, Ali. That was the one. Hey, this is the setup right here for the show. Oh, the 15 too? That mug is clean. The 15 is super clean on here. And you got the 5 too. Hey, yo. Now, that would be pretty good if we can go back above that. That would be an awesome little setup. Yeah, that ASST was beautiful. I wish this orb is not orbing over here though. At all. Yeah, I guess that's true too. This one just keeps stringing the hope along, man. Just like stringing me along. Just stringing me along. It's just that you're already above Hive Day. I just like most of the volume is beneath you. Why not make a run up to pre-market? Why not? Yeah, keeping hope alive, man. Ooh, ooh. It's not
Order
looking.
filled.
Let's not look a gift horse in the mouth. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Very nice execution there. Let's go, man. Got Green Day locked yet? Almost. Why am I worried about the volume? Because I need volume to move the price. I guess not always, but I mean, without volume, that's true. That is true. Yo, the 15 really looking prime now. Now I'm like pre-market high. Yeah, entry was a long time ago. And I mean, I sold on the volume that came in. It just didn't stop me out afterwards. So I've just been still in the position. And now it went up to another take profit level. So that's great. Now you're going to give me my $15? Should have been more patient, man. But ain't nothing wrong with taking some profit. Nothing wrong with taking some profit. I think he was talking about it. You still trading ASST Wave Rider? 14.95. Yo. Yeah, bro. I just needed a little more patience. Came right up to where I needed it to be. Nah, said yes. That thing was up. Is it that thing hit 7 yet? It was over 650 last time I peeped.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's the candle to sell on right there, boy. Clearly, clear sell signal on the one. Question is, what's the 5 saying? Over 7 now, 7:15. Hey. That's what's up. Shoot, I'm over here having a nice little time myself, I must say. I must say. Having a good little time over here. I like this. Can we keep it rolling? Oh, we green on the day. We are green on the day. Yeah, that looked like it want to keep going to me. That looked like we need pre-market high. Let me check out ASST over here. Over here, caking without me. Dang. Y'all just left me out, huh? We're supposed to be a team. Yeah, that one looking ready, boy. 15 had a nice little consolidation. 5 had a ridiculously long consolidation. It's time, bro. It's time to stretch them legs out. I kind of want to put my stop underneath this low on the one, but I don't want to get stopped out on a higher low. So, but when I get a nice extension candle like that, I don't want to give the whole thing back. You know, like it really needs to hold this high if it's going to keep going, which is 1474, which did prove to be a pretty significant level. So I mean, under here, 1479 seems like a pretty legitimate spot for the stop. At least under 73, maybe 69. But we'll just wait. We've taken enough profit. This is actually a pretty rock star trade right now. Yeah, it really is. It really is. Nice double bottom. Back up to the EMA. Jumped in. I mean, pretty tight entry. High of day is 15 even. You rolling with the rock stars. Come on, man. No, the party ain't over yet. So, 1067 is an R. Yeah, actually, looking at this volume, I probably could have stopped out under that candle. Um, realize how high that was. I mean, it was pretty obvious on the one. Mm. But hey, as long as it's making higher lows on the five, we're in the trade. So our stop out is 49. Yup. Oh, we just talking about ASST? Oh, 797. Good lord. Yeah, man. Wave Rider killed that one. Oh my God. $8. Yo, that thing is crazy. I want mine to go crazy. Come on, man. Do something. I'll bounce here and move my stop up under that low, though. I'll be super happy to have my stop right there. Super happy. Actually, I probably need to do it anyway because a longer than a two candle pullback. And I mean, How long we gonna be in this thing? 8:30, man, bro. Blessings. Blessings. Yup. I just want one more bounce. I know that's asking a lot. It's way up there. Yeah, man. Tell me about it. Come on, hold that 76. What up, King? On this? Or are you talking about ASST? ASST's definitely moving like they just got some news out on it. Man, NQ was going down. Okay, looked like it recovered a bit. I was getting ready to start Googling CNN the way the market was dropping for a second. Yeah, bro, ASST went crazy. Straight crazy. Nuts. Come on, baby. Tariff news on ASST. Dang, is this gonna be the bounce that I wanted and needed? Now I'm really mad at my earlier trades today. Just FOMOing, man. Shouldn't have took that one. Definitely shouldn't have took this one. Okay. Okay. Hey, yo. 'Bro. SONN. This was so clean, bro. The only reason I didn't take it because it was after 12. That's the only reason. So clean. Golly. Yeah, you ain't lying. They have proved that over and over again, even today. 850. 2 minutes, and I'm moving my stop up to 74. Unless it makes a lower low before then. Come on, don't come down here now. Somebody cut the lines, bro. Breaks are out of there. Right. It really wasn't much. Once it started going, it just went. Really? Mm-mm. Bruh, SONN over here just throwing setup after setup, bruh. This was so nice. Oh, ASST still rolling. Huh. Not a bad daily either, man. Hmm.
Order filled.
All right. We are out of there. Okay. Well, finished up one R on the day. Really nice trade on 3.3 R on KALV. Really nice trade, man. Um, yeah, super nice trade. My learning points from today. Here I jumped the gun. I took this as the high and this as the higher low and just bought the break instead of what I'm supposed to do, which is have a line over the high and wait for the break over that and the hold. So I just like in a split second slipped up on that entry. So that was an R that shouldn't have gotten lost. And then MBIO, it had the retest, but it's just so extended on the 15, man. And I was looking at it, but it had the narrow range candle starting to form. But this is nasty work. This is nasty work to get in after. So really just poor judgment on my part to get in after that. But I managed the risk really well on LGPS, so it ended up being or was this MBIO? Oh no, that was actually, dang. I forgot I had a first trade on so this would have actually been closer to a 4R win because I made back my first loss, which was like half an R. Yeah, I forgot about that. So yeah, this was a really good trade. Really good. Awesome. Man, bro, SONN was such a clean setup, man. I'm feeling like I hate not taking my setup because of something like the time of day it is. Like, bro, just take the setup. But the rules are very good. The rules are very good. So, yeah, but this would have been like crazy, crazy R's on this trade. Crazy R's. But happy to be ending the day green. 1R, that's awesome. And I'm trying to make myself content with that. Because once 1R gets big enough, like back, getting back up to 250 risk or 300 risk, finishing out 1R on the day is cool. It's totally cool, So I can't let my small risk right now dupe me from accepting a good day, And also just another, knock on the chin of FOMO and just wait for the setup. The setup gets you in the trades at the right spot, like right here, and it also keeps you out of the duds, keeps you out of the duds. If you just wait for the confirmation and doesn't confirm, you don't trade it, you don't lose. So yeah, my bad, Trey. I tried, man. I tried, bro. I was weak. First day back live, man. Had the itch. Yeah, man. 913. Oh my God. Wow. What an awesome trade. I'm glad somebody in here got it, man. Somebody in the gang got to get it. But all right, y'all. Well, that's it for today. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe. Share. Discord links in the description. And y'all be safe out here, man. I'll catch y'all in the morning. Peace.